Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to make skin soft and smooth inside Premiere Pro. Alright, you can see I have got a photo. You can use any videos or photos. Firstly, let's move over to the effects panel to apply a VR denoise effect. The VR denoise effect in Premiere Pro is a tool designed to reduce noise and grain. Now let's drag and drop the VR denoise effect onto the photo layer. Next, move over to the effect controls panel. From the VR denoise effect, we have to disable the auto VR properties by clicking on this box. Next, we have to make the vertical field of view parameter value around 60 to remove the distortions at the top and the bottom sides. Then you can adjust the noise level to control the amount of noise reduction. In my case, I am going to use 0.30. Be careful not to over-apply the noise levels, as it can introduce artifacts and blurriness. Also, you can use the preview window to see the effect of the noise reduction and make adjustments as needed. Alright, by understanding the VR denoise effect and its features, you can effectively reduce noise and improve the quality of your videos and photos in Premiere Pro.